Welcome to Mastering Forex Trading, a comprehensive guide for novices. Ready to become a Forex expert? Let's begin. Step 1. Open a Forex trading account on a reputable broker's website. Click Open Account. Step 2. Fill in personal details, select account type, and create a secure password. Step 3. Verify your account with identification documents. Step 4. Fund your account via credit card, bank transfer, etc. Step 5. Educate yourself on strategies from expert traders. Step 6. Practice with a demo account using virtual money. Step 7. Trade with real money, start small, and increase investments. Step 8. Stay disciplined, set stop loss and take profit levels. Step 9. Keep learning, update strategies, and stay informed about market news. Step 10. Seek guidance from reliable sources, subscribe to newsletters, and join trading communities. Congratulations! On your way to being a successful Forex trader. Stay patient, dedicated, and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Forex content. Keep up the great work. See you next time.